Right Charlie Papa, right Bravo Romeo, mouse down 20, mouse down 10, mouse click, click Kilo Echo, taskbar Sierra, right Sierra 0, arrow right 50, mouse click, mouse left 10, mouse left 10, mouse click, IntelliSense URLs, Blazer Pizza latest, press return, so I was doing a validation, I guess, touch Charlie Charlie, move up 5, window monitor switch, left Hotel Foxtrot, mouse down, left Sierra India, mouse up, read that.
You can have multiple edit form components at once, but they can't overlap, because HTML's form elements can't overlap. By specifying a model, we're telling the internal edit context which object it should validate when the form is submitted, in this case, the delivery address. Let's start by displaying validation messages in a very basic, and not very attractive, way. Inside the edit form, right at the bottom, add the following two components. Data annotations validator.
Window monitor switch, mouse click, click Juliet India, move up, start application, not working. Window monitor switch, click 7, click 13, click 16, click 17, press tab, press tab. This is the only column that is not required. Press tab, and this one also, I think. Press tab, click, click 23, mouse click, press function 12, close window, press Yankee, mouse click, mouse up 50, mouse click, press Shift Alt Delta, press function 12, mouse click, taskbar Tango. Click Golf India. Maybe the button's got to be inside the form. Undo. Go to line 23. 3 items. Move the line up 3. Press tab. Press tab. Press Ctrl Sierra. Touch Charlie Charlie. Close tab. Click Kilo Golf. Refresh page. Click 2. Press tab. This one is not required. Press tab. Press tab. Press tab. This one also is not required, I think. Click 8. Window monitor switch. Didn't seem to have moved. Touch Charlie Charlie. Close tab. Click Hotel Foxtrot. Find following place order. Move right. Press space. Brackets in. Dictation and cap submit. Start application. Window monitor switch. Click 7. Click 13. Click 16. Click 18. Enter timestamp. Click 21. Enter timestamp. Press tab. Click 23. Click 17. Enter timestamp. Click 20. Enter timestamp. Click 18. Backspace 20. Click 22. Enter timestamp. Click 23. Click 22. Backspace 20. Dictation cap testing. Click 18. Enter timestamp. Click 23. Okay. I guess that's working, although not ideal. Touch Uniform 0. Click Uniform 0. I'll turn the dark mode off. Press Shift Alt Delta. Left Hotel Kilo. Move mouse up. Click. Mouse down. Click Victor Quebec. Read that.
The data annotations validator hooks into events on the edit context and executes data annotations rules. If you wanted to use a different validation system other than data annotations, you'd swap data annotations validator for something else. The validation summary simply renders an HTML null containing any validation messages from the edit context. 61. Handling submission. If you ran your application now, you could still submit a blank form, and the server would still respond with an HTTP 400 error. That's because your button isn't actually a submit button. Modify the button by adding type equals submit and removing its add-on click attribute entirely. Next, instead of triggering place order directly from the button, you need to trigger it from the edit form. Add the following on-valid submit attribute onto the edit form. Edit form model equals order state order delivery address on valid submit equals place order.
Scroll bar right Romeo. Scroll bar Romeo. Click 63. Left Hotel Charlie. Mouse up 20. Mouse up 20. Mouse down. Left Tango Kilo. Mouse click. Read that.
Obviously, it's pretty disgusting to display all the validation messages so far away from the text boxes. Let's move them to better places. Start by removing the validation summary component entirely. Then, switch over to Address Editor Editor and add separate validation message components next to each of the form fields. For example, div class equals form field, label, name, label, div, input at bind equals address name, comma validation message for equals at, equals, address name, comma div, div, do the equivalent for all of the form fields. In case you're wondering, the syntax at, equals, address name, is a lambda expression, and we use this syntax as a way of describing which property to read the metadata from, without actually evaluating the property's value. Now things look a lot better. 64.
Window monitor switch. Click India India. Clear line. Press delete. Press Ctrl Sierra. Menu Foxtrot 5. Move to top. Go to line 4. Fresh line. Square brackets in. Variable validation message. Select line. Chevrons in. Variable validation message. Press space. Mixed Foxtrot Oscar Romeo. Press equal. Press shift apostrophe. Brackets in. Brackets out. Lambda operator. Dictation cap address. Press dot. Dictation cap name. Complete word. Select line. Move right. Move left. Press space. Type /. Select line. Press Ctrl Charlie. Show list Blazor. Edit list. Click Add New. Press Tab. Tab backwards. Press Romeo. Press Tab. Dictation cap snippet. Press Tab. Cap validation cap message. Press Tab. Paste that. Move left 4. Move left. Backspace 5. Backspace 5. backspace 2. Press 9. Press tab. Press tab. Press Charlie. Click Save Data. Press Alt X-ray. Go to line 12. Fresh line. Blazor snippet. Quit menu. Show list Blazor. Edit list. Press Alt X-ray. Show list validation. Edit list. Move down. Move down 2. Taskbar Yankee 1. Press Escape. Press Alt X-ray. Razor snippet. Validation message. Find previous numeral 9. Dot notation address line. Press 1. Select line. Press Ctrl Charlie. Go to line 20. Fresh line. Paste that. Find previous numeral 1. Press 2. Go to line 28. Fresh line. Blazor snippet. Quit menu. Razor snippet. Validation message. Find previous numeral 9. Dot notation address city. Complete word. Go to line 36. Fresh line. Razor snippet. Edit list. Left Delta Juliet. Mouse click. Press Bravo. Press Tab. Click Save Data. Too close for comfort. Click OK. Press Alt X-ray. Blazor snippet. Validation message. Find previous numeral 9. Dot notation address region. Complete word. Scroll down 20. Go to line 44. Fresh line. Blazor snippet. Validation message. Find previous numeral 9. Dot notation address postal. Complete word. Press Ctrl Sierra. Build project. Touch Zulu 0. build already. Come on, you can do it. Yes. Window monitor switch. Refresh page. Click 0. Click 2. Click 13. Click 15. Click 16. Click 18. Enter timestamp. Click 22. Touch Victor 0. Click Victor 0. Scroll bar Romeo. Window monitor switch. Menu Alpha 1. Move to top. Go to line 13. Fresh line. Move up 2. Press End key. Move left. Brackets in. Variable error message. Press equal. Quotes in. Default box. Press delete. Please supply the first line of the address as this is required for delivery. Exclamation mark. It's going to fit. Click copy only. Paste that. Go to line 19. Press N key. Move left. Brackets in. Variable error message. Press equal. Quotes in. Default box. Press delete. Please supply us with a city so we can deliver. Exclamation mark. Correct suppliers. Suppliers. Enter a valid. Delete with a. Click copy only. Paste that. Go to line 25. Press N key. Move left. Brackets in. Variable error message. Press equal. Quotes in. Default box. The postal code is required and has to be, scratch that, with a maximum of 10 characters. Exclamation mark. Click copy only. Paste that. Build project. Touch Charlie Charlie. Touch Yankee 0, close tab. Taskbar Whiskey. Start application. Window monitor switch. Click 7. Click 13. Click 15. Click 16. Click 22. Close tab. Click 65. Left Golf Bravo. Mouse up 20. Mouse down. Left Zulu Lima. Mouse down 30. Mouse click. Read that.
Better validation UX using the built-in input components. The user experience is still not great, because once the validation messages are displayed, they remain on the screen until you click place order again, even if you have edited the field values. Try it out and see how it feels. Pretty basic. To improve on this, you can replace the low-level HTML input elements with Blazor's built-in input components. They know how to hook more deeply into the edit context. When they are edited, they notify the edit context immediately so it can refresh validation status. They also receive notifications about validity from the edit context, so they can highlight themselves as either valid or invalid as the user edits them. Go back to Address Editor Eraser once again. Replace each of the input elements with a corresponding input text. For example, div class equals form field, label, name, label, div, input text at bind value equals address name, comma validation message for equals at, equals, address name, comma div, div. Do this for all the properties. The behavior is now much better, as well as having the validation messages update individually for each form field. As you changed focus, you'll get a neat valid or invalid highlight around each one. 66.
Window monitor switch. Menu Golf 1. Move to top. Find following input. Select matching 5. Variable input text. Press escape. Press Ctrl Sierra. Start application. If this was not so slow. There we go. Window monitor switch. Taskbar Sierra. Window monitor switch. Click 7. Click 13. Click 15. There yet. Click 15. Broke it. Left 6 Sierra. Mouse down 20. Mouse click. Click 14. It's not working either. Press function 12. Window monitor switch. means nothing to me. Window monitor switch. Taskbar uniform. Window monitor switch. Click India Foxtrot. Move to top. Find following input. Right select. Press Shift left. Select matching 5. Dictation input. Press Escape. Press Ctrl Sierra. Touch Charlie Charlie. Close window. Press Yankee. Taskbar Sierra. Close tab. Taskbar Victor. Start application. I'm sure it was working before that. Show hints. Oh. Click 7. Click 13. Click 15. Yeah, it doesn't like those controls for some reason. Maybe they need to be imported in some way. Did I miss a bit? Touch Uniform 0. Click Uniform 0. Scroll bar right Sierra. Scroll bar Sierra. Try just doing one. So if Taskbar Victor. Click Foxtrot Delta. Find previous input. Variable input text. Complete word. Taskbar Sierra. Page up. Bind hyphen value, have I got that? Window monitor switch. No, let's got to change that as well. Click Foxtrot to Charlie. Touch Foxtrot to Charlie. Page up. Click Golf Delta. Find following input. Select matching 4. Variable input text. Press Escape. Go to line 4. Find following bind. Select matching 5. Dictation bind. Press hyphen. Dictation cap value. Press Escape. Build project. touch Zulu 0. Close tab. Taskbar Victor. Start application. Window monitor switch. Click 7. Click 13. Click 15. Click 22. Click 16. Enter 6 random numbers. Excellent. Gamifying it a bit as well. Click 22. Touch Uniform 0. Click Uniform 0. Scroll bar right Sierra. Scroll bar Sierra. Click 67. Window monitor switch. Click Golf Foxtrot. Page down. Menu India 5. Go to line 33. Go to line 26. Fresh line. Data type Boolean. That's not going to work. Backspace 3. Press space. Camel is submitting. Press equal. Dictation false. Type semicolon. Move down to fresh line. Camel is submitting. Equals true. Type semicolon. Go to line 34. Fresh line. Camel is submitting. Equals false. Type semicolon. Go to line 19. Fresh line above. If statement eraser. Camel is submitting. Press Ctrl left. type exclamation mark. Move down 2, move down. Double home, 3 items. Press tab, move the line up. Press Ctrl Sierra. Touch Yankee. Click cancel. Backspace 5. Touch Yankee 0. Press Alt Tab. Undo. Undo. Undo 5. Move the line up. Press Ctrl Sierra. Move down. Mouse click. Close tab. Taskbar Victor. Start application. Window monitor switch. Click 2. Click 13. Click 15. Click 16. Enter 6 random numbers. Click 22. We have to do the delay. Close tab. Taskbar, window monitor switch. Mouse click. Click Golf Lima. Go to line 37. Fresh line. Move up. Move up. Move down 2. Move down. Move the line up 2. Move up. Words await. Cap task. Press dot. Dictation cap delay. Brackets in. Dictation 5000. Move right. Type semicolon. Type // type // cap wait 5 seconds. Press Ctrl Sierra. Start application. We have a squiggly left Foxtrot India. Mouse click. Undo. Wake up. Wake up. Backspace 4. Move down. Gone away again now. Weird. Taskbar Sierra. Window monitor switch. Click 4. Click 13. Click 15. Click 16. Taskbar Victor. Menu Alpha 1. Menu Foxtrot 1. Move to top. Go to line 4. Press N key. Move left 2. Press space. complete word. Variable autofocus. Press Control left, press delete, press alpha, press escape. Don't like it. Backspace, press Shift alpha, right November Charlie, left November Charlie, move mouse down, stop, mouse double click, delete 2, backspace 2, left select, backspace 2, backspace, press Control Sierra, taskbar Sierra, enter 6 random numbers, click 22. Delay of what? Yep, that works. Touch Victor 0. Click Victor 0. Up next is authentication and authorization. Click 68. Click 69. Press Alt Delta. Press Control Charlie. Show list Blazor. Edit list. Left Lima Echo. Mouse up 20. Mouse click. Move down. Press Control Victor. Press Home. Press Home. Click Save Data. Press Alt X-Ray. Close tab. Right Bravo Oscar. Arrow down 20. Mouse click. Mouse down 100. Mouse click. Get the right one day. Right. End stream. Stop streaming.